A diesel engine is a type of internal combustion engine that uses diesel fuel instead of gasoline. Diesel engines operate by compressing air in the cylinder to a very high pressure and temperature, which causes the fuel to ignite and burn. Unlike gasoline engines, diesel engines do not require a spark plug for ignition. The process begins with the intake of air, which is compressed by a piston inside the cylinder. The compressed air is then heated by the high pressure, which causes the diesel fuel to be injected into the cylinder. When the fuel is injected, it mixes with the hot compressed air and ignites, causing an explosion. The explosion drives the piston down, which turns the crankshaft and produces power. Diesel engines are known for their high torque and fuel efficiency. They are commonly used in heavy-duty vehicles such as trucks, buses, and trains, as well as in generators and marine applications. Diesel engines can be designed to run on different types of diesel fuel, such as petroleum diesel, biodiesel, or synthetic diesel. They require regular maintenance, including oil changes and fuel filter replacements, to ensure optimal performance and longevity.